Hey, it's Berta Jay, and you're back in my kitchen with me today to do viewers' voices. I have 3. The first one comes to us from Judy Cowdrick. She said, Berta, I like to put spinach. I cooked mine because that's what I had. Or some other chopped green on the bottom in a bowl, and then I top it with mashed potatoes. There we go. We're putting some mashed potatoes on top of it. Kind of sloppy, but there you have it. Now she tops hers with cheese sauce. But troopers, I thought I had some cheese sauce. Didn't have any cheese sauce, but I do have brown rice gravy. Now these greens I cooked because that's what I had was cooked spinach. Judy, this may not have been what you wanted because you used cheese sauce, and I know that's going to be knock it out of the park. But this is good too. So, spinach on the bottom, put some mashed potatoes in between, and then top it with like your favorite sauce, cheese or brown rice gravy. Number 1. The second one is from my friend Anahid Kassabian. She suggested with your nutmeg grater, what you can do, you see, once you use your nutmeg and it gets all gummy like that, Anahid said, Berta, just take a toothbrush. This is a clean toothbrush. To clean it, and make sure that your toothbrush is not a soft toothbrush, that it's a medium or a hard toothbrush, because you need some oomph to it. Is that a good word? Oomph. You need something that's going to give it some force so that your grater, your nutmeg grater, can get clean. Now it may take a minute. Does that look better to you guys? It looks better to me. Okay, so see now all that was in there, there it is. Right there. Clean with a toothbrush. And the toothbrush, see a little bit of brown on there. Now the last one, I just mixed up some of my chicken seasoning. But I got a message from Benjamin Lombaert. He said, Berta, this is a nice little mixture, but I would have added a pinch of cayenne. So since I just made it, and I do like a little pinch, just a little bit of heat, what I'm gonna do is take what I just made, because you know I mix it up on the wax paper, cayenne pepper, and I'm gonna do what he suggested, only I'm gonna go, he said a pinch. No, I think a pinch might be perfect. I happen to have a pinch, see right here? When you mix up my vegan chicken seasoning, take a pinch of cayenne if you like a little heat. Sift it right in there. So that's what that looks like, and in order to mix it, you know what I do? I just use the paper to mix, so there you go. Just mix that ground cayenne pepper in there. And that, my friends, are the 3 viewers' voices that I wanted to share with you. Thank you to Judy Cowdrick, to Anahid Kassabian, and to Benjamin Lombaert. Thank you guys so much. I really love you viewers, you troopers, because you give me ideas to make my kitchen and make my food preparation and my food eating a whole lot better. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. So until next time, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell, give me a thumbs up, visit the Amazon store, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, okay? Till next time, bye for now.